And now let's talk about grammar. So, how do we talk about possession or ownership? Or about things that we own? As you know, we have possessive adjectives. Here they are in this column, which correspond to personal pronouns. So, I, my, you, your, he, his, she, her, we, our, they, their. So this is easy. But we also have possessive pronouns, which are a little bit different. You can see here, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Let's see how they're used and why in some cases we use possessive adjectives and in other cases possessive pronouns. So here I'm showing examples of possessive adjectives. First, in a second. Okay, possessive adjectives. So we use them in front of a noun. So if there is a noun after the possessive word, it must be possessive adjective. For example, my suitcase, your suitcase, his suitcase, her suitcase, our suitcase, your suitcase for plural, you all, and their suitcase. Now, possessive pronouns are used by themselves without nouns. There is no noun after a possessive pronoun. Let's see an example. Is this suitcase yours? Yes, it is. You see, we have yours, and it's not followed by anything. There is nothing. There is no noun. So we have to use this form. And you see that the only difference is this letter S. We could also say, is this your suitcase? Yes, it is. And the meaning would be the same, but grammatically it's different. Since we have possessive word and then a noun, it has to be your and not yours. Another example, whose dog is it? It is mine. So to ask about the ownership of a thing, this is the expression that we use. We use the word whose, and then we put the noun about which we ask. And then we put the verb is and the pronoun it. So whose dog is it? Whose bag is it? Whose suitcase is it? Whose car is it? Whose house is it? You just need to replace the noun with whatever noun you ask about. So let's continue. To the question, whose blah blah is it? We usually respond with possessive pronouns. So whose dog is it? It's mine. It is mine. So I don't say, I could say it is my dog, but I do not say that in order not to repeat the word dog. So this is a short answer. Whose dog is it? It is hers. Whose dog is it? It is theirs. Whose car is it? It is ours. So I can use different possessive pronouns depending on the person. Okay, another example. Is this wallet theirs? You see, I'm using here possessive pronoun because after theirs, there is no noun. But if I ask this way, is this their wallet? I have to use their instead of theirs because it is followed by the noun wallet. Another example, these bags are not ours. And these are not our bags. So both sentences are correct. They have the same meaning, but we use different possessive word. Here we use possessive pronoun, ours, because there is no noun after it, but we use our in this case because it is followed by the noun bags. So I hope you will understand this better when you do homework exercises.